go in apps, scroll down, you will see this ECG app. Now, when you will first set up this watch, this app will not be here, but you'll be prompted to set it up from the Garmin Connect app, and it takes you through all the steps. And once you are done, then this app will appear on the watch. So you wear your watch, make sure it's snug and fit, then go in ECG app. You can go through all of these instructions, and then you have to put your thumb and finger on the body of the watch, and it will start taking your ECG. Now you can basically use this ECG to detect any atrial fibrillation, but it gives you a lot of warnings that it does not detect any heart failure or any heart attack or any other heart related problems. And this is just for wellness purposes. If you're feeling sick, definitely contact your doctor or emergency services. Now, once you have your ECG done, you can tap on this three-dot menu, and from here you can go in your summary, you can add symptoms, read more information, delete the recording, and there is troubleshooting menu as well. Now you will also be able to see your ECG that you've just taken in the Garmin Connect app. So you can just go in here, view your ECG pattern. You can tap on this pattern to make it bigger like this, and you can also export it as a PDF. Just tap on the three-dot menu and select download PDF.